welcome back. Today we are exploring the Gumbalimba Park in West End Bay in Roatán, Honduras. In this video we will interact with the wild monkeys of the area. Unfortunately, I had the GoPro placed in its dive case still, so the audio is a bit loud in places. But here we go.
Like aggressive or non-aggressive?
No. The ones that get aggressive, we put them in cages. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys the ones that we had that were aggressive. We have them grounded right now. Yeah.
They're grounded.
Okay, and is it, are you home to Honduras or out of
The monkeys, they're not from the island. They're not like originated native to the island. Okay.
Here they come. It's like, well, maybe the rest of them aren't coming. So. There comes another one up there.
Alright guys, so once you guys are ready, let's go right over there by the train. It's gonna put the monkeys up for you guys, okay?
Venga para acá. Pancha, venga.
Oh, baby monkey. She brought the baby.
Stay, sin pelear, cuidadito. Don't worry, they're gonna be on his shoulder. That's another revenge. Quieto. You see why she's leaving? Because she's scared of the rest of the lady coming there. She's a mother with baby, and she's a grandmother. But the rest of the monkey that you see there, the one right here, that's an alpha female. So she's scared of her alpha female because they're always fighting for the snack. Monkey never share food together. So who wanna try it first? You can stand right here. Come on.
I'll go.
You can stand right there. And sir, you could stand over there. The lady over there, she wanna jump on your shoulder. There we go. You got anything in your pocket?
Just a wallet and the passport.
On your top pocket.
Oh no, nothing in there. No.
Sophie, look at me. Sophie, look at
Very,
me.
very gently. Just don't try to grab it.
So funny. Sophie, look,
It
can you
doesn't
put
like
your
to be
hand
grabbed
down?
because we
Sophie,
grab
put
them
your
every
hand
6
down.
months to give them a
Put your
shot.
hand down and look at me.
Oh.
Say cheese.
We dropped it.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, Sophie, look at me. Look at me and say cheese. Guys,
He's hungry. Or she's hungry.
so does the younger one or?
Oh, she's the alpha female.
Oh, that's it.
So she come over from there to her because she's trying to smack the little lady over there.
Oh, wow.
You could just get it. Yeah, you could just take it off. They just want to take it off and drop it on the ground. See?
Whoa!
It doesn't
Okay,
share
I
no
don't-
snack. That's why she.
No share snack.
She just wants a snack for her, and she doesn't want the other monkey to get snack.
I'm out for jumping at the moment.
Room around anyway they wants to roam around.
Wow, that's great.
But it's very soon, so that's why they just come in from the forest right now. They will stay here all day till 4 o'clock in the evening time.
Okay.
So 4 o'clock in the evening time, they know the park is closed, so they will just
So
take
they
off
go,
again.
yeah.
But during the day, they will be here all day.
Peanut.
This is like a snack for them because monkey never work for free.
Right.
So normal food we give them twice, so that will be like 7 o'clock in the morning and 3 o'clock in the evening time.
Guys, look at me. Say cheese. Sophie, look at me. Say cheese. I guess they're unpredictable. Yeah, oh wow.
Hey, no peleen, quietos.
Wonderful. So they understand what you're saying.
Monkey is a bilingual, so they understand Spanish and English. Hey, quieta, cálmese. Pancha. Si quieres sostener, póngase ahí, mire, ahí mejor. Con el pequeñito.
Oh.
Keep you busy, little girl.
That's the younger one. You know why he's doing that? Because he's rubbing his body on him. Because he just wants the smell off of him. Rubbing the body. So that's why you got a lot of Gatorade, soda bottles, no repellent, bug spray. We fed him very gently.
Sophie, look at me, Mama. Look at me.
a lot of good ones. Baby.
You could turn around.
Turn around,
It's
no
gonna
jump
There
too.
we go.
Oh,
It's just a
He can't
barking.
now, but he might jump. Yeah,
It's
he
just
might
like
jump.
like
He's setting
warning.
down, right? Yeah.
Okay, he's
Like
trying to
warning. They
come
get
on
to
you,
see
right?
anything, they will like make a
Oh,
noise.
Okay.
You're good. You're good. They're just
Whoa.
gonna play with
Whoa.
you.
She's
They're
like,
just
nope.
playing
Okay,
with
guys,
you.
let me.
It's a baby. It's a baby.
Okay, you can pet that one, but very gentle.
No, you're good. You're good. He's
Okay,
just playing with
okay,
you.
he's
He's just playing.
with
Just
you.
playing.
He's just a baby. He's just playing with you. Don't
Okay,
worry.
here, you can pet him now, right here. Very perfect. On the tail. On the tail. There we go.
You're,
Okay,
you're
here,
fine.
let's
You're
take
fine.
a picture like that, guys.
You're fine.
Okay. Hey, baby, turn my way. Turn my way. Oh, okay. He's gonna come on your. Whoa! That's another. Sorry. Okay, Sophie. She's like, what's happening? Two of them? Sophie, you wanna come with me? It's okay, come. It's a rotation. Wow.
Yeah, every one of them that work out, you can see them, they're nursing her baby over there. Just watch your step there. It's really bad. Too much rain.
Yeah, this last couple weeks.
A lot of rain. And that's the home. They get to live there just during the day. In the nighttime, they will sleep the highest part of the tree. Estate quieto, cálmese. Mañoso. Espérate, vos, mañoso.
She's like, hey, you're out of snack.
This is Julio.
Julio?
Yeah, but I've been out for like 2 weeks from her. I was on the mainland, so that's why he doesn't recognize me very good. So he just coming like trying to like say, hey, you're gonna be scared of me, but I can't be scared of him. Become the boss of them.
Right.
We get to like go for like vacation like for 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
Uh-huh.
So when you come, they think you're a new guy.
Alright. Like, yeah, I got
So
it.
when you like scared of them, they will like try to chase you out from her.
Right,
They
yeah.
will let you know that they are the boss here.
Yeah, the natural
That's natural life
yeah.
for them.
fight or flight type scenarios. Yeah.
Very territorial.
Yeah.
So the zip line, the cable is passing here. So in the evening time, they will just walk on the zip line and walk all the way up to the forest. They travel like a 2 mile away, 3 mile away from her. The forest is all free for them to go. But right now, just during the day, they will be here all day because they know the tourists coming to see them. So they need to have picture with the tourists.
If you want to check out Gumbalimba Park the next time you're in Roatán, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching.